Hi guys, this is my little art book haul number 2, part 2. I'm going to go through this gouache in 4 easy steps. I have a video on Get Started with Gouache and there will be links below. If you click on those and purchase the book, I do get a commission for that. It doesn't cost you any more money than you would normally pay, but it helps an artist out, so that's great. So gouache in 4 easy steps, and I've already painted out of this one, and it is so fun to just kind of, especially on a day you don't want to do a huge project and you just want to get some practice in. It's very colorful and bright and fun. So let's go through this. It says a beginner's guide to creating beautiful paintings in no time, and it really is super easy to follow. All right, so she goes through obviously the techniques and things that you would need to read about: landscape, flowers, leaves and plants, patterns, adorable birds, butterflies and insects, delicious desserts, fruits and veg, just cute sundries, and then supplies and tips are in the back. So you be sure to read those. I know sometimes that's the not fun part, is reading the directions, but it can make a difference. So we're going to skip to this is the landscape. So here's the beginning front matter here, and she's even painted the little paint brushes here. So landscape, look how beautiful and rich that is. And the nice thing about gouache is it has the benefits of watercolor. It's like a watercolor and acrylic, but with this beautiful sort of matte opaqueness to it. And it's trendy right now, but it's of course been around for a long time, and I really enjoy it. And I have the set of Arteza paints, and if there's a link there, I'll put that down below. And anyways, so landscapes. So the beautiful starry night, look at that moon. So she's got the basic figures, so the basic bones of what you're doing, and then the step-by-step, the colors that you'll need and how to combine them, how to color mix, which is super helpful if you're new to paints and color mixing. I sort of do it instinctually, but if you're looking for that exact color that she got, this is how she did it. So I like that element there. Okay, so we've got this beautiful sort of swirly night there, and then you add in the clouds. Just, you can see layer upon layer upon layer. So when you paint or draw, you want to think from the bottom upwards. So that bottom layer, that foundation, and then you build on that. And that's exactly what this book does. Dreamy Sunset. So this one's a super easy, user-friendly one. Look at that. Anybody can do that. Just kind of showing you that reflection. Very easy to do. We have a mountain landscape. So these look really impressive when you're done, but really it's just a series of steps, right? And along the way, as you're doing these steps, you're learning things. Enchanting Forest. So we have the sketch here that you can quickly sketch out, and then all the steps. Dramatic seascape, the sailboat. Then we get to the florals, one of my favorites. I love this one here. So we've got a bellflower, and again, the sketch. We've got an it's always a hard word to say, anemone, showing you the ways to draw that and filling it in, and then different colors. We've got a pansy. Oh, look at those beautiful rich colors. Showing you the basic shapes, because really art, any object can be broken down into basic shapes, which is a great way to think about things. Lilies, and of course those come in different colors, but lawn daisy, a peony, which is one of my favorite flowers. Rose is my ultimate favorite, but peony is a very close second. And I love the layers there, the rich shading and things. Magnolia branch, which is like my number 3 flower. It's got all my flowers. All right, leaves and plants. So fun colors here. Potted plants. Fall leaves. Cacti. Showing you the highlights that you can make with the different shades. Fairy tale palm tree. Tropical caladium. Is that how you say that? All right, patterns. I love making patterns. I paint my own art and make them into patterns in my Etsy shop, which the link is down below for that. But patterns are fun to make. Wildflowers shows you the basic sketches, and then how you can layer and fill in a balanced way. Autumn vibes. Festive Christmas pattern. You can make your own, paint your own, get some craft paper and paint your own wrapping paper. Bloom, just various blooms. Colorful leaves. So you can just see all that placement. All right, birds. I love birds too. I love it all. Swan, look at those. So flamingo, a robin, the swan, just breaking down those shapes for you. And it's nice to paint on black. You can either buy black paper, or you could buy black canvas, or you can just put black gesso down and black acrylic paint and, you know, paint on top of that. Blackbird, parakeet. All right, the insects. So we've got monarch butterfly in pink, a garden snail, dragonfly, bumblebee, the beetle. I like him. I think I did paint him too. I don't know where I put him. He's over there somewhere. The moth. I like moths. All right, desserts. We've got macarons. You can make those in different colors. We've got popsicle. These are easy to put, like if you want to make your own cars and just plop a popsicle in the middle. Donuts. Cake or cheesecake with topping. All the different berried toppings and cherries. We've got a bagel. Looks like everything seasoning. Mini cream cake. All right, fruits and veg. That's pretty. Avocado. We did the watermelon. I did that, and I actually made a pattern. I don't think I have it in my store yet, but it hopefully will be coming soon. The papaya. I'm trying to think of what that is. Nice autumn apple. That's really pretty. Raspberry. Of course, that would be similar to a blackberry. Oh yeah, she's got that down here. Cherry. Oranges. You can see the shadowing there. And of course you could do lemon and lime. We've got bell pepper. The eggplant. All right, and then just sundry things. Paint brushes and things. We've got teacups. Chinese style mug. Very pretty vintage telephone. And by vintage, I mean when I was a kid. That's funny. So a couple different styles that you can do. And then paintbrushes are fun to paint. The different kinds as well. Round brushes, flat brushes, cattail, cat tongue, glass vase. So I'm black again and making that look like water. And so forth. All right, so that is Gouache in 4 easy steps. I will leave the link to Amazon with my affiliate link down below. Also my website and my Etsy store and all that good stuff. Go ahead and give a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already a subscriber, and have a great day.